It is the major issue is here memory usage and skipped frames. Once it starts from here to losing things, it inflicts everything: recording, live stream, throwing the frames away. It's basically crashes slowly. In that way, it's perfect. And I have set 00 on bot, which is P4000 that I have, and it uses in that way the Tesla P4. If I choose P4, it uses the Quadro, and I'm going in Bottleneck. And once the Quadro P4000 reaches 100%, this becomes nightmare. Everything is flipping, memory usage, skipped frames, frames missed, and everything is a mess. So I have fine-tuned now dynamically. That is perfect.